Here, I have to pack you. Whoa, that's a burnt. That's a burnt, guy. Guys, and I look totally crazy.
Used to get my hair done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day.
Hello everybody, good morning. Today we are going to thank Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin Free and Clear for sponsoring today's video, which is gonna be a bit of a refresh. If you watched my last video, the week in my life, then you probably noticed I feel like I'm going through a little bit of a rut, a little mental low. I just feel like the first year of my daughter's life, I just had to like hustle, go, 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 not sleep. And then finally when she turned 1, I was just kind of like, which is good. You know, I feel like everyone needs to enjoy their low so they can enjoy their high. So yeah, I had a little bit of a down week. That was actually 2 weeks ago from when I'm filming this. I know that might be confusing because I just posted it, but after I filmed that, my daughter actually got sick like maybe 4 days later, and she was sick for 5 days. She had para-influenza. We did go to the doctor and she just had a little flu, but let me tell you, it is so hard and so sad to see your baby have any kind of bad day, like teething, but having the flu, it was really hard. Pretty much, I dedicated a full week, if not more, to just Cocoa Melon, Pedialyte, chillin', and just zero focus on me. So I want to take this vlog, this day in a life, and just do a complete feel-good refresh. This is like my go-to stuff that just makes me feel like $1,000,000. So if you can see my hair, we're not feeling it. We are going to get these old extensions out. I'll take you with me. Get some new like long extensions in. I'm gonna do some like at-home pamper stuff. My mom is gonna come. We're gonna wear our comfy lounge clothes, which are all dirty, so we're gonna clean them with today's sponsor, who I did mention is Arm & Hammer. Let me take you over here and we can chit chat for a second about Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin Free and Clear. This guy right here. You know, I like to do stuff very simple, and so having one laundry detergent that works for the whole family, and I don't have to like separate loads, because then it's only 2 people and I feel like I do laundry for days. That works for sensitive skin, whether you're just cognizant of what you put on your body, in your body. And this guy right here received 100% rating by SkinSafe, which is a company developed in partnership with the Mayo Clinic. And yes, it is hyperallergenic, no dyes, no perfumes, very simple, very clean. It's what I've been using. So if you want to hop on the train, whether you have sensitive skin, itchy skin, or you just want something that's really clean for the whole family, I will have a link down below, or you can go to www.armandhammer.com/laundry/sensitive-skin. A big thank you again to Arm & Hammer for sponsoring this video. I definitely recommend, link below. I'm gonna go do some laundry, but I do have to head out soon. It is 10:30, and then I have like an hour-and-a-half drive. Gonna get my hair done and then drive back, so I might have to pick up the day in the life vlog tomorrow. Kind of a cheat, but I feel like this day is just gonna be kind of about my hair, so at least we'll see a before and after. Before I go, let's do a little OOTD. I feel like I haven't done anything like fashion related in forever, but I feel like it's because I just do comfy, easy, go-to stuff, but I feel like you guys always like the comfy outfits too, so I thought I would share my new find. Well, this is an old one. This is a Skims mock neck, like not crop, it's kind of crop top, but it's from her cotton jersey line, and I love how easy these are to like throw on. I just feel like it's like the perfect amount of like comfy, casual, cute, but like kind of sexy. And then this necklace I always wear. I get so many questions about it and I never reply because it is sold out, at least from where I purchased it. But it's by Martha Calvo. She does really cute stuff. It's kind of higher end. It's really nicely made. But yeah, Martha Calvo is where I got this. I don't think they sell it anymore, but she has a lot of cute stuff on the site. And then the matching 2-piece set is actually a new set from Lululemon. I don't know, I just loved the tone of it. It's like a little hooded cropped jacket and then just their classic pants. I have it paired with these Nike Air Force One sneakers I always wear. And then my hair, you know, looks like this. It'll change very, very soon, hopefully. Let's actually go right now, because I'm probably late and I'm just chatting away. Before I go, did I go too hard on my brows? I have not gotten them done in like 2 months, and so they're crazy thick and long, and I did my normal like brush up, but I don't normally do it on like grown out brows, so I just feel a little crazy, but like I kind of like it. Should I just stop getting my brows done? Let me know. You have to pack a bag if you are doing an extension appointment or you're going from like brunette to blonde, because you are in for a ride. But even more so, the fact that I am still breastfeeding, I know I have to bring like a whole pump stitch. And I don't even really pump anymore, to be honest. So I'm gonna bring the easiest little thing, and I don't even think I'm gonna bring anything to save it, and I know that's gonna kill some people that are listening to it, but I'm at that point where like I'm weaning, I don't even have any of this stuff ready or prepped to pump. I just have this little guy I got at the hospital when I had kidney stones, and I have to say, like if you are wanting to just breastfeed and not pump, get this just for emergencies, because this has come in handy so much. I'll link to it down below from Amazon. My snacks are, my snack game is strong, is it not? Is it not? These little oatmeal pie guys, dope, and a La Croix. And then I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Okay, now I'm really late. Let's go. I have to pack you. Come with me. Okay, hey, I did a really bad job vlogging this hair transformation. I ended up just making a TikTok because I feel like I've done so many hair transformations on my channel in the past and nothing on TikTok. But, oh my God, it is so much hair. It is 24 inches and I honestly, I don't know if I can handle this much hair. I'm thinking about cutting it, which would be totally bonkers if the situation wasn't I did hair modeling for this company, so the hair was comped. I did not buy 24-inch hair extensions and then think about cutting it, but I think I'm gonna make an appointment and cut it like this. But whoa, what do we think? Could I pull it off? I don't know. I don't think I can. It's a lot of hair, you guys. Whoa, that's a burnt guy. That's okay. Let me just, whoops. There we go, my super simple dinner alone. Dinner for one. Except you, boo-boo, you're here. Cheers. Arrow is down for a nap. I currently look like this. I have my happy shirt on. Gonna do a little face mask, but I thought I would share a little tip. I feel like one of the biggest things that worked for me, and there are 1,000 ways to make this work for you and your family, but having a schedule for my life in particular, with like working from home and being a single parent, trying to co-parent, I could not do anything that I do without a schedule. My life is so all over the place. Every week looks different for us, but I think the thing that keeps everyone sane is that every day is a routine. So what we do that day is probably gonna be different. What that week looks like is probably gonna be different, but the structure of every day is the same. Honestly, I don't know how people co-parent without a schedule, or like a sleep schedule is mostly what I'm referring to. I feel like there's 3 different categories, and you can tell me if you think I'm right, but there's a parent who does like a schedule and they go by wake windows. And then there's a parent who goes by sleepy cues. And then I feel like there's a parent who has like their own schedule and own routine, and they need to kind of have their baby flow into their routine. There is no one right way to raise your baby. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying for me, doing a sleep schedule and a scheduled day has just been life-saving. So what things look like for us right now is Arrow normally wakes up between 6 and 7. So today was 6:30, and typically that would mean I would have a 3-hour wake window and put her to bed at 9:30, but because she hasn't been feeling well, whether it's this cold or flu she had, and then, or say if it's like teething, or you know, some days you just have to go to bed a little earlier. She just went down for a nap at 9, and then what I do is I let her sleep up to 2 hours. So if she goes into 11, that is her first nap, and then I'll do another 3-hour awake window from there. So she'll go to bed again at 2, and then her second nap is usually from 2 to 3:30, and I usually cap it at that 3:30. Sometimes I go to like 3:45. If she's sick, I won't cap the first nap, but the second one I will, because I want to make sure we stick to that 4-hour wake window before bedtime. So she goes to bed at 7:30, and then we're usually, you know, still consistent, because I find even if I keep her up later, like if I keep her up till 8 or 8:30, she'll wake up at the same time, if not earlier. She'll wake up at, you know, 6 a.m., 5 a.m. We've been on this routine since, I want to say 8 or 9, maybe 9 months. It's a little fuzzy. And then I think we're probably going to be on it until 18 months. So this is by far the longest we've been able to keep like a routine, because under 9 months, your baby is changing so much. You're 3 naps, 4 naps, 5 naps. I mean, you're really just finding the flow of everything. So things definitely have become easier, and definitely easier to plan. The only downside with this is I am fairly strict on these times. Of course, I know for like special occasions, actually there's a lot of reasons it could be off, but for the most part, like if somebody wants to do lunch, I'll be like, I have to leave by like 1:30 because I need to do bedtime routine. I need to calm my baby down because she's going to bed at 2. Like I am pretty strict, and I never thought I was gonna be that kind of parent, but it's really been what has worked for us. And I feel like because, you know, I am co-parenting and my daughter can go to different places, and I'm self-employed, her father's self-employed. I feel like there's so many inconsistencies in her life that I feel like the structure of the day really helps aid into making her feel comfortable and confident in her environment. Again, 1,000 ways to raise your baby, but I want to give that little tip out there. There's honestly just no way I could do what I do without this schedule. Guys, did I look totally crazy having this conversation with you? I don't know, I felt like it was a good time. It's the nap time, it's the time that I give myself to work, and I get so many questions about how I like accomplish as much as I do. And honestly, give yourself a freaking break if you're trying to accomplish a whole bunch of stuff. But I feel like my biggest secret and my biggest strength in getting everything done the way that I have to do it has been a sleep schedule. I'm gonna let this face mask sit. I'm gonna have a little me time. I think in like 15 minutes my mom is gonna be here, and then I've made the executive decision that I'm gonna cut my extensions. Hi.
Hi, I'm here.
Oh, you are? Okay, I'll come down. I'll come down right now.
I brought my suitcase. This is my pillow. Look at her.
I know.
Grandma brought her pillow.
Oh, it's so nice to have you here.
Hello. I need to say hello to you.
I know, hi.
Aw,
I miss you.
I missed you too.
Yeah, it's my mommy. I'm not even gonna put the tray thing on because she's been throwing the tray off.
You're welcome. Thank you, just thank you. And you're up. And you're down. Let me fix your
Yum.
diabetes.
Oops.
So everybody clean up, yay! Everybody clean up, everybody clean up.
Drove over to the Grove. My mom is with Arrow. I don't think she is napping, but I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm going to enjoy my ice cream for like 5 minutes in the car. I'm gonna put on some music. I'm gonna have some me time and not think about anything other than the fact that I feel like the truly rich people in life have their family close. Like, it would be so nice if I could have this more often. Like, you cannot put a price tag on living close to family. Like, I totally get why the Kardashians like all live in the same cul-de-sac. That is probably the most wealthy thing about them. That is actually my biggest advice. If you are about to be a parent, live by your parent. And thank you guys for coming along with me for this kind of weird 24 hours day in my life. You saw most bits and pieces of my routine. I think we missed dinner last night and getting up this morning, but I feel like you get the gist of it. Let me know if you have any questions about anything with my routine or schedule or advice, or if you just want to chit chat in the comments down below. A big thank you again to Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin Free and Clear for sponsoring today's video. Thank you. Definitely check them out. I will have them linked down below, and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye. Eat ice cream and hang out with family. Okay, bye.
Life right now is a movie. Wish the soundtrack was groovy. Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody. Just need a happy ever after. Can I speak to the director of life? Think he made a mistake with his design.